I'm going to walk you through how to file a divorce in Gwinnett County. Getting a divorce in Gwinnett County is simple when you have me on your team. My name's Russell Taylor, partner at Daniels & Taylor, and I'll be your guide. Most legal guides will jump in and just tell you to file a complaint for divorce. But what's that? How do you do that? Where do you do that? In Georgia, divorce is filed in the Superior Court of a county. But what county, aka venue, you file in? Venue could be a subject for a whole nother video. Basically, venue just depends on where you and your spouse live. We're going to keep it simple though. We're going to assume that you and your spouse both have lived in Gwinnett County for more than 6 months. In that case, you would file your divorce in the Gwinnett County Superior Court. Gwinnett County Courthouse is located at 75 Langley Drive, Lawrenceville, Georgia. And this is my office, the Truist Bank building right across the street, 390 West Krogan Street, Lawrenceville, Georgia. The forms you'll need to file for divorce, you'll come to the main entrance of the Gwinnett County Courthouse. Go through security, we'll go to the Clerk of Court's office down to the left. All right, here we are. When you come into the clerk's office, you'll see a bunch of forms on the wall here. These forms that are white on this side, that's going to be most of your domestic forms for family law cases. These forms are fill in the blank and very basic, but it's perfectly sufficient if you have a cookie cutter divorce. Look, if you have a complicated divorce that involves drugs, family violence, high assets, or any other special needs, these cookie cutter forms will not be good enough for you. Once you have all the forms filled out, you're going to want to go downstairs and make copies at the law library. All right, here we are. Go right on, follow the sign to the law library. Bingo. So here we are. We've got the copying machines right here. You want to bring quarters, but if you don't have quarters, they've got a bill exchanger here. All 3 copies back up to the clerk's office and file your divorce by walking up to the clerk's window. Make sure you go to the Superior Court, not the state court window. You'll need to bring a check for $216 for the court's divorce filing fee and $50, another check for $50, to pay the sheriff to courier the documents to your spouse, aka serve them with the divorce papers. You can find your most updated fees on the Gwinnett Court's website. We'll file your divorce, put a stamp with the date on it on all 3 copies. You'll keep 1 copy. The sheriff will get 1 copy to take to your spouse, and the last copy goes to the court where the judge will get it. You also get digital copies of some of these forms at the Gwinnett Court's website. You can file those online as well. I'll put the links to do both of those in the description below. Now that you've filed your divorce, you have a case number. It'll be stamped on the stamp at the top of the document. Look at that last digit of your case number and you'll find out what division your case is assigned to. And using that information, you can find out which judge is assigned to your case. Link to where you can find out which judge is assigned to which division in the description below also. Now you want to research your judge. You want to find out as much as you can about them because they're the ones who have your future in their hands. Daniels & Taylor, we've been in Gwinnett County for over 3 decades and we know all about the judges here. It gets much more complicated from here. You have access to your spouse's bank account, retirement accounts, about their social media or their Tinder accounts. You need an expert witness or a forensic accountant. Your spouse need to be drug tested or psychologically evaluated. If your spouse isn't cooperative, you're going to need to use the court's rules and procedure to be able to get all the information you need to use as evidence. If you don't know the court's rules on how to get the facts into evidence, you could lose custody or you could lose a lot of money. My law firm, Daniels & Taylor, specializes in divorce, custody, family violence, and especially high asset divorce cases. Most of the attorneys I've hired have business degrees. We will bring the truth to light. You've got a life to live. You've got bills to pay. You've got stuff to do. You've got a job. If you don't have hours of time to learn all the court's rules and procedures, well, I've got your back. You can recruit me to be on your team and guide you through the process. When you need one-on-one help with your divorce, call Daniels & Taylor and schedule a consultation for $100. Call 770-962-4070. My name is Russell Taylor, partner at Daniels & Taylor.